So I chose this spot. There's no car here. It's sunrise, and I'm here. I'm going to show you my modification for the Giant Trance E Plus. This is a 2019 model, and here I am at the lighthouse. Okay, now with that, let's go to the Giant. So what changes were made here? Actually, I have a bike stand. Many people don't want to use it, but believe me, it's very convenient. I can park my bike anywhere without dirt. Just put on the stand. It's not disturbing. Some doesn't like the look, but believe me, it's very practical. So what modification did I make here? I changed my derailleur to the Sram GX Eagle AXS. No? This is the Sram Eagle technology. So initially this is 11 speed. Now with this one, it is already 12 speed. Okay, this is the new gear. It's 12 speed, and the SRAM shifter is a wireless shifter. Well, look, we'll try to see more about it. And what else did I change? Also, I changed the chain. I also changed the chain. Okay, the new chain. This one is still the original that comes with Giant. I did not change it. Okay, when you change to a wireless shifter, this is already the shifter. No more wire. Okay, this is powered by a 2032 battery. Okay, and to shift it, you press this one to go to higher and press this one to go to lower. I'm going to show you when I press it. Up, okay, down, down, down. Look, it's moving. Okay, it's moving. Okay, I will do another demo later. I will lift the bicycle. So this is the shifter. It's connected here using this one, and connected here. So you could adjust what is more comfortable. I have this made in the bike shop and I did not change it already. Anyway, it's just adaptation and I can easily adapt to it. Okay, so basically this is the change that is done here, and I'm going to show you how to remove the battery, because yesterday I have a hard time removing the battery. You have to clip this one and pull this out. Okay, and to remove the battery, you have to clip this one up, and remove the battery. So this is the battery. Okay, to put it back, then clip it, and this is just a cover so that it looks better. Okay, so okay, now it looked like I was a little bit out of focus earlier, so I'm going to show this one more time. Okay, so that's it, no? This is the modification I made with my Giant Trance E Plus. Okay. Okay.
So thank you for watching. Please subscribe.